In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira and Trello together for project management. If your team uses Trello for planning and collaboration and Jira for technical execution, connecting the two can make your workflow much smoother. Instead of keeping information in separate places and manually updating everyone, you can link planning tasks in Trello with development work in Jira and keep both sides aligned. To get started, open Trello and go to the board you want to connect. From that board, open the Power Up section in the board menu. In the search bar, look for Jira, then enable the Jira Power Up. Once that's turned on, connect your Jira account. This gives Trello access to pull in Jira issues and lets you create links between both platforms directly from your board. After the connection is set up, the next step is to create a clear project workflow. Before linking tasks, decide what type of work will be managed in each platform. A good approach is to use Jira for development tasks, bug tracking, and other technical work that needs structured issue management. Trello works well for simpler task tracking, planning sessions, and general team collaboration. It's also important to define how work will move between both platforms so your team knows when something starts in Trello, when it becomes a Jira issue, and how updates should be reflected in each tool. Once your workflow is clear, you can start linking Jira issues to Trello cards. Open a Trello card, click the Jira option from the card's Power Up menu, and select Attach Jira Issue. From there, search for an existing Jira issue and attach it to the card. This is useful when development work already exists in Jira and you want to connect it back to a planning or coordination card in Trello. You can also create Jira issues directly from Trello. Open a Trello card, choose the Jira Power Up option, and select Create Jira Issue. Then enter the project, the issue type, the summary, and the description, and create the issue. This saves time and helps ensure important planning details make it into Jira without needing to switch tools. As work progresses, keep both platforms updated. Update the Trello card as planning work moves forward, and update Jira issues as development work is completed. Using linked cards and issues helps both planning teams and technical teams stay informed without losing context. To keep everything organized over time, use consistent naming between Trello cards and Jira issues. Add Jira issue keys to Trello card descriptions so they're easy to reference, and regularly review linked tasks to avoid duplicate work. With a simple process like this, Jira and Trello can work together effectively and give your team much better visibility across projects.